Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best 24-hour hot food canteen on the market. The THERMOS Stainless King Vacuum-Insulated Food Jar, 24-ounce, matte steel. Whether you're packing lunch for work, heading out on a camping trip, or just want to keep your meals fresh throughout the day, this food jar promises to keep your food hot for up to 14 hours or cold for up to 24 hours. Let's start with the build quality. The THERMOS Stainless King is crafted from high-quality 18/8 stainless steel, making it not only durable but also resistant to rust and corrosion. This means it's built to last through daily use, outdoor adventures, and whatever else life throws at it. The exterior is designed to be sweat-proof, so when you're carrying cold food, you won't have to worry about condensation making a mess in your bag. And when you have hot food inside, the outside stays cool to the touch, which is a thoughtful safety feature. One of the standout features of this food jar is its vacuum insulation technology. This advanced insulation ensures that your soups, stews, or chilled salads maintain their temperature for hours. Hot meals stay steaming and warm for up to 14 hours, while cold foods remain refreshingly chilled for a full 24 hours. This temperature retention is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy homemade meals without sacrificing freshness or taste. Another great aspect of the THERMOS Stainless King is the design of the lid. It doubles as a built-in serving bowl, which means you don't need to carry extra containers for your meal. This lid is also leak-proof when closed, providing peace of mind that your food won't spill in your bag. It's simple to open and close, making it convenient to eat directly from the jar wherever you are. Cleaning is hassle-free with this food jar. It's dishwasher safe, though top rack recommended, which means you can quickly clean it without the need for extensive scrubbing. The stainless steel interior also helps prevent lingering odors or stains, so your jar stays fresh use after use. In terms of capacity, this model holds 24 ounces or about 0.71 liters, which is a generous size for most meals without being bulky or heavy. If you're looking for other options, the THERMOS Stainless King line also offers 16-ounce and 47-ounce capacities, catering to different needs and appetites. From a practical perspective, the jar's matte steel finish offers a sleek, modern look that fits well in both professional and casual settings. It's also very portable, fitting comfortably in most backpacks, lunch bags, or picnic baskets. To sum up, the THERMOS Stainless King Vacuum-Insulated Food Jar is a fantastic choice for anyone wanting reliable temperature retention, durability, and convenient design features all in one package. Its ability to keep food hot for 14 hours or cold for 24, combined with its sturdy build and thoughtful lid design, makes it a standout in the world of insulated food jars. If you're looking for a dependable way to enjoy your meals fresh and at the perfect temperature throughout the day, this is definitely a product worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest product reviews. See you next time.